Morning, Gary from Alford's here. Today we're back at a job we do every year. This is a fantastic grade 1 listed building. We cleaned up a couple of years ago, all sides. We come back every year and just treat the north facing side, which builds up quite a bit of green algae. I'll just swing it around and give you an idea of what we're doing. So this is this building. So essentially, as you look at it, there's quite a bit of green algae reappearing on the stonework here. We essentially cleaned down, we doff cleaned all of this facade, well I say the whole building, but as nature does its thing, the green algae starts to reappear, so we just give this chemical treatment, gentle, which doesn't affect the stone at all, just to bring it back up to a clean finish so it doesn't have a chance to build up again. So preventative maintenance, so it never gets back to the state it was before we first cleaned it. So we'll show you. Well, I don't need to show you because we're just going to spray it up. But there you go, that's the job for today. Thanks for watching.